Hey. Hey. I seem to recall last year the sun was like peaking by now. Interesting. What are we? So it's the first day of motherfucking school, baby. Motherfucking school. I'm not in school. I drive a bus. Very fun. So we are gonna take it a little slow. I forgot that this hoodie I'm wearing is a fleece, and it's really not good at breaking the wind. It's only 56, so I'm not tripping. It's not like freezing, but I'm not gonna haul ass. Also, last year I hit a deer on this road right around here. Yeah, right about right here. It jumped out and I hit it at about 35. So I don't, when it's dark, I don't haul ass through this bitch no mo. No mo, baby. I mean, it's not exactly, the deer don't come down here that much in the summer. I don't know if it's still summer or not. They're more of like the fall, spring, winter. They're over here. Summertime though, they fuck off and they go to fucking spring break, baby. I know. In the summer though, not like spring break. What would you call that? Summer break? Ah, summer break it is. So, yeah, we're gonna go and drive these little motherfuckers to school. Got a couple new kids this year. It's always fun. Some of my kids have not graduated, but they've gone to their juniors now. They've been driving. Yeah, junior. Yeah, they don't. Actually, a couple of them are seniors now. And the seniors don't really ride the bus. They drive. I got a lot going on. I'm gonna miss them, but such is life, you know. Yeah. I take the longest route. Now last year I was voluntold because that was my first year, and it was like the only one left. I'm also one of the only Class A drivers, Class A CDL drivers that we have, and so I'm also one of the most experienced, so they put me on the longest route. Now it's long and it's very technical. I mean, I don't have to go over any railroad crossings or anything like that. It's just I go into the foothills, and there's a lot of like blind corners that go around like these 30-foot drops, and then when you get to the top, especially in the winter time when it's slick or just been raining forever, there's bears and mountain lion and wildcat and all that fun shit out there. So a lot of the ladies, school bus driving is predominantly female in occupation, but some of those ladies just don't feel comfortable or safe going out that far, and so it fell on me as the junior member to basically take the route nobody wants. And then I was at the end of the year, I'm like, fuck this route, I'm not taking this fucking route next year. But then summer break came and I missed my fucking kids, dude. I missed them, I missed the route, I missed the money. I get paid about $200 more per week than everybody else, so that's a nice little bonus. So now that we're riding back to work, I'm excited to show you guys Now, of course, I can't do any filming on the bus or anything like that. That's not what I wanted to show you. But if you're patient with me and you wait for winter to come, this ride is a fucking bitch. But I am on the quest to ride the bike as often as motherfucking possible. Now, there's some days I don't leave the house, so obviously I didn't ride that day. But every day I leave the house, it's my goal this year to ride the bike. And so far I have. So far I have. And I'm talking all the way back to before I even got my freaking GoPro and YouTube all set up. This was back in January. I'd ride the bike every fucking day. It would get so cold on the fucking bike that we have this stuff. If you're not from a cold climate, I mean, we're not that cold, but we get this stuff called freezing fog, which is crazy, and freezing rain. It's basically so cold out, but it's also very humid at the same time. It's fog, and as you hit the fog, as you push through the fog, it turns to ice. And so we also get freezing rain. And so one morning I was coming in, I think it was 26 degrees. I was riding the bike, and when I got to the shop, I had icicles all over my bike, just from, you know, obviously, like, there's wind chill. I haven't taken this way in a while. I need to reacquaint myself with that in the dark. Obviously there's wind chill, but yeah, it was so cold, dude. I was like over here and freezing my little fat butt off. So I'm actually looking forward to that this year. I'm actually looking forward to it. I've got the clothes for it. I've got like these super fucking thick overalls that I wear. I've got those. I've got multiple different layers. The trick I found is so I have this Milwaukee, you know, Milwaukee tools. I got this Milwaukee heated jacket. Now, I thought forever that heated meant like it would warm you up. No. What it actually does is it prevents cold kind of from permeating, or it warms the air, you know, that's around you. So it doesn't warm you necessarily. It's not like a warming blanket, you know. It's not like a fucking hot compress or whatever. It's a fucking thing. That's not what it's about. But so anyway, I put on I have a couple of pullovers, some sweat pullovers that I put on, right? It's gonna go like muscle tee or whatever, cut off, followed by either t-shirt or long sleeve shirt, sometimes both, then the pullover, then that jacket, make sure I have a charged battery, turn that fucker on before I even fucking step outside, then I've got an extra large. Well, what the fuck am I looking at right now? Oh, it's a tree. I'm like, is that an angel? Fucking like Christmas time angel wings? It's a tree. Well, this is neat. Oh, when did they do this? This is new. Cool beans. I'm talking about the lights on the trees. So I have this extra large raincoat, one of those yellow raincoats that I can put, you know, everything under. I can wear anything under that. It's not going to be tight. I could even wear my backpack under it to keep it from getting wet. And yeah, dude, I mean, at the end, I'm cold still. It's fine, but I'm not freezing. So I found that I'm good for the first like 10 minutes of my commute. And my commute's about 15 minutes. The first 10 minutes, I'm solid. My fingers start to get cold at around 8 minutes. They're borderline numb by the time I get there at the end of the 15 minutes. But I start to get cold right around right here, right where we are now. So, which is good because all of the fast riding has been done. And now we're just scooting. We're just scooting to work. But yeah, it took me a long time to figure out, you know, like the different combinations of clothes to wear to stay warm during the fucking winter. Dude, yeah, where's the sun? I don't understand. Like, it's this time last year, I shit you not, the sun was coming up by now. I shit you not, son. I'm not shitting on you, my children. I am not shitting on you, my children. What are we? It's that global warming, dude. It's that global warming's making the sun rise later. Fuck. Ooh. There's a conspiracy theory out there, but at this point, nothing's a conspiracy theory anymore because the shit that they've gotten away with, the government, the shit they lie to us about. I mean, now they say aliens are fucking real. Well, for years they lied about it, so now I can't believe anything you say. Nothing. There's a conspiracy, or there's a theory out there that there were actually 13 months. And everything was in phase with the moon and stuff, and like the moon, like the phases would happen on the same day and all this other shit. And they got rid of a month to fuck with us or something. But I mean, if you think, if you're like, oh, to fuck with you, that's stupid. Well, I mean, look at us. We're docile fucking sheep that work for a living, 9 to 5, in the name of profits, right? Not in like lordly profits. I mean like money, financial profits, but that are not our profits. You know what I mean? I wouldn't put it past them to do some dumb shit like that. You know, teach the new, you know, it only takes one generation to wipe away history. It really does. Just rewrite it. You know? And be like, no, your parents are wrong. They remember it wrong. Here's what really happened. You can trust us. We're the government. Yeah, right, like I trust the fucking government. So I wouldn't put it past them to do that kind of shit, dude. I really wouldn't. And it's not like super outlandish if you think about it. It really isn't. So maybe that's why I'm remembering it different, because the phase has changed or some shit. I don't fucking know. I'm not a theory doctor. I'm not even a real doctor. Anyway, good morning. Thank you for tagging along with me. We're gonna go take these fucking children to school. I love them. I miss them. I love you. I miss you. And I'll talk to you in the next video.